Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel again. Hey, hello, Narandaru. Hope everyone is doing great. And yeah, this is day 12 here in Kodaikanal. I reached about 7:30 and then వచ్చేవరకు ఇక్కడికి చీకటి అయిపోయినుండే ఘాట్ సెక్షన్స్. Oh my god, 54 kilometers of ఘాట్ section, man. It was so tiresome sometime. After some time ఇక్కడ నిన్న వర్షం కూడా పడింది, యాక్చువల్గా డ్రిజ్లింగ్ అవుతుండే పైన. So yeah, it was quite good actually. So heading out now to see some places around Chustanu. What places can be explored here. Anyways, so this is the place that I'm staying in. On the background, if you can see, I'll give a quick tour as well. Like so you have all the dormitories there on the background and everywhere here and all. You have all the dormitories, and here you can relax, chill out, bonfire area. And paikalte you have the common room. This is a nice property here, and that's the valley view. Yes, guys. So that's the car I drove along with few guys here. ఇక్కడ ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురు ఉన్నారు ఫ్రమ్ Zostel. సో వాళ్ళతో పాటు వచ్చాను నేను ఇవాళ. ఆల్మోస్ట్ 11 days తర్వాత నేను కార్లో ట్రావెల్ చేశాను. జస్ట్ అబౌట్ లైక్ అరౌండ్ 13 to 15 odd kilometers ట్రావెల్ చేశాము 45 minutes గురించి Zostel నుంచి. అండ్ యా, వీఆర్ ట్రెక్కింగ్ టు అ వాటర్ఫాల్. యాక్చువల్లీ షోలేస్ వాటర్ఫాల్ అనేది ఉన్నది, సౌండ్ వస్తుంది కదా అక్కడ. ఐ గెస్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఫౌండ్ దట్ వాటర్ఫాల్. Okay, probably.
This is definitely a waterfall as well.
Yeah, I can hear that. Damn it. Alright guys, so this is exciting. I can hear a lot of noise, water making. Wow. I think we have made it to the place. Oh my god. Wow.
Up as well.
Yeah? Welcome.
Oh man.
Like No, it goes, huh?
For this, I need to take out my drone.
Oh, no, oh yeah. A nice shot will be there.
Be a little careful. So, ఇక్కడ డ్రోన్ వాటర్ ఫాల్ అయితే కనిపిస్తలేదు, బట్ if I take out my drone, then I'll be able to see it, I believe, or probably, yeah, we can go that side.
The park. Keep walking. Keep walking, then we can go down.
Guys, you're coming? So guys, yeah, we are trying to find a way where we can go down. If it's possible, then it will be amazing. Let's see if we can do that and show you something beautiful. I guess this is the end of. So that's the waterfall, and yeah. Oh man. I can't do it. It's too risky for me.
It's not risky, you can do it.
Right? Let me go. This is what I'm doing right now. Vlogging. Vlogging. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah. Okay. So at last we made it to the waterfall. What is this place called again? I'm keep forgetting it. Shoelace, Solace. So they are going to Alta for what? Not? Why not now? Any other place? Munchies? Astoria. But that's a veg restaurant is what you're saying. Alright people, so I hope you have enjoyed that lovely drone shots of this Zostel Kodaikanal property. Yeah, bond kada. So yeah, I'm done for the day. Almost time 6:30 అవుతుంది. వచ్చాం మేము వాటర్ఫాల్స్ నుంచి we went to the town. అక్కడే కొంచెం లంచ్ చేసేసి ఇక్కడికి హాస్టల్కి వచ్చేసాము. And from here, yeah, I took some rest and then yeah, బయటకు వచ్చాను. It was getting dark. I forgot that I did not take the drone shots of this property. So తొందరగా drone shots తీసుకొని and yes, I'll be ending the vlog here. Alright, see you all in the next vlog. And yeah, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.